2,000 years later.
It's been a while. What's good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're playing a game called Minecraft. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Please leave a like and subscribe. Let's get into this game. This game came out a while ago, but I was looking for a game just to play, so I was like, this game, it looks fun. It looked fun to play, like really fun. Let's just go to normal. You guys had a good Christmas. Hope you guys got all the presents you guys wanted, and I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe, because we should always stay safe. My boy, rise and shine, sleepyhead. This art style looks awesome. Whoa, relax. Alright, so we move around, jump. Aha, look! Try a wall jump into the next floor. This feels funny. You could come around and cause all sorts of damage. Bop, bop. Oh, shoot it. This game, it looks cool. Like, I can't wait to get to later, because I know there's gonna be like crazy stuff happening. Oh, Chuck's the Butch. That's Mitch the Butcher. His meat operation is for. Damn, this music is loud. Hold on. Jesus. That music is mad loud. His meat operation is a front smuggling unlicensed firearm. The meat is mainly rats, pigeons, or whatever person they didn't like that day. I guess explains how we ended up here. Hey, boss. Quiet out there tonight. They sound gross. Almost here. Useless slackers. I'll show them what happens when they slack off. Go make yourself use some prepare whatever. Sorry, so I can beat the negative. He's coming this way. You have to take him out. Ready?
Bop, bop.
Easy. Oh, we got two guns. How do I control the other one? Guess you just have to kill them all now. It's kind of hard because usually when I press up on like games like this, it would be to
don't care. Still don't care.
Freaking,
I don't care. I don't care.
It would be to
What'd you say?
freaking jump.
I just want to know what you said.
For this one, it's to
What did you
spin.
say? I don't care.
Okay, that was kind of hard, but we got that. It's hard to control. Like, it's gonna get hard to get used to, but it's cool. Okay. I wanted this to be cool. Hey, you've been drinking enough water? You seem a bit out of it. Come, I'll take you to the first place where you can, and help you get back on track. This is where I go when you can't see me. Now let me show you something. Hold still. Yeah, I can't do that. See that? When you focus, like time slows down, and when you focus, you can do flips in the air. Now you try it. Wait, you can do. Oh, I did it. Beautiful. Now do a flip in slow motion while shooting the prices based on your grandmother gave me. Nah, this game is gonna be smooth. Oh my god. Glorious. Ready for the last trick? While holding two weapons, you can separate. Exactly. This is what I want to do. Shoot the two aces by separate aiming. Okay.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
I'm. That's gonna be mad hard. What the hell? You're mean, but kick him. Okay, buddy. Now we're. Okay, you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Easy. Easy. No. This guy took like 3 bullets. I wish it was like a sprint. I want to sprint. I want to run fast. I mean, that's kind of slow. We're gonna just roll. Easy. Easy. Oh, okay. Okay, let's get this. Damn. Shoot that guy. Split kill. Nah, I think the music needs to be. I'm gonna put some epic music. I don't care. Are you sure you know what you're doing? Relax. These terms practice to sell themselves. I just take this thing, put it in here. I brick. Holy. Bro, I brick so bad. I didn't know that's how you dodge. Ready for this? Hit him, hit him. Easy. What you know about that? I don't know why I'm doing that so much, but it's alright. God damn. Nah, the slow motion thingy is perfect. Oh, I should have rolled. Easy. There's probably gonna be yep. Easy. What am I doing? Press F to kick enemies. Oh shit. Yo, this would be awesome. That thing was cool. No cap. Level complete. Oh, I got a B.
Shut the fuck up. Know your fucking place, trash.
Nah, that thing was crazy. Technique. Oh, I have to, you almost came out. What's up, dog? Easy. It's too easy. Bro, how am I gonna go B?
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
So beautiful. Yeah, this game needs like a sprint. Wait. Oh, roll.
You're so stupid.
And then roll down here. Roll down here. Yo, I think it's awesome. Oh, bro, oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. We did three missions, so I don't want to make it too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I appreciate you guys if you tuned in. Please leave a like on the video, please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Peace, peace, peace.